2002 Nissan Frontier, misfire cylinder number 2. We already replaced the cap, rotor, wires, spark plugs, and the check engine light keeps coming back. It keeps saying misfire number 2. Okay, so one of the main problem is that the car reaches, once you start it up when it's cold, it starts fine, no problem. But once it reaches normal temperature, it starts to misfire. One of the main problems of this car is that, you know, the valve seat, you know, when you start the car when it's cold, the valve seat is closed. There's no clearance, there's no air gap. But once it reaches normal temperature, the valve seat expands. When it expands, it makes a little loss of air gap. So you're pretty much losing compression. So that's what's causing the misfire cylinder number 2. So on this case, we would have to take the heads out and send it to a machine shop so they could, you know, do a valve job pretty much. So that's pretty much like doing the head gasket on the car. You got to take the heads, send it out for a valve job, and put a new head gasket and reinstall everything, and that will fix the problem. Please like and subscribe. This is Tree Shade Mechanic. Have a good day.